Hey foodies, before you dive into that crispy, golden fried goodness, there's something you need to know. Today, I am exposing the hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen. Kitchen safety is crucial, yet many overlook it. From using the wrong oils to unsafe cooking practices, these mistakes can have serious consequences. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could change the way you cook forever. Welcome to Do Not Cook With This. Imagine this. You're about to deep fry some delicious chicken wings and you reach for that bottle of vegetable oil. It looks healthy, right? It even says heart healthy on the label. But wait, there's a dirty secret behind that label that you need to know. When I talk about vegetable oil, I am actually talking about seed oils. These oils come from corn, soy and canola, not from the vibrant vegetables pictured on the label. But why does this matter? Why should you care about the source of your cooking oil? Seed oils are packed with polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fats are unstable and prone to oxidation, which means they break down and create harmful compounds when heated. Imagine frying a donut in this oil. You're not just frying the dough, you're creating a cocktail of toxic substances. And it's not just donuts. Think about all the other foods we fry in these oils: French fries, chicken, fish. The list goes on. The problem doesn't stop there. These oils are everywhere. Fast food chains reuse their frying oil multiple times, increasing the toxicity with each use. This practice turns your favorite fried chicken into a health hazard. Each time the oil is reheated, it breaks down further, creating more and more harmful compounds. So how did vegetable oil become so popular despite these risks? In the early 20th century, aggressive marketing campaigns promoted vegetable oil as a healthier alternative to animal fats. Advertisements in newspapers and on TV touted its benefits, often backed by questionable science. By the 1950s and 60s, vegetable oil had become a staple in American kitchens. Today, it's hard to imagine a grocery store without rows of vegetable oil, but it's crucial to understand the health risks that come with it. The next time you reach for that bottle, remember the hidden dangers lurking inside. Consider alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, which are more stable and less likely to produce harmful compounds when heated. Your health is worth the extra thought and effort. But what about the environmental consequences of these oils? Let's take a step back in time. In the late 1800s, they found a way to make seed oils, but the environmental impact was not considered. Originally, these oils were used for industrial purposes. Think machinery lubricants, not food. The process to create these oils is far from natural and has significant environmental repercussions. I'm talking industrial-grade processing where they use hexane, a solvent found in gasoline. Yes, you heard that right, gasoline. The seeds are heated to high temperatures, then washed with hexane to extract the oil, releasing harmful emissions. After this, the oil is refined, bleached and deodorized, processes that contribute to pollution and waste. This heavy processing not only strips the oil of any nutrients, but also leaves a significant environmental footprint, contributing to pollution and resource depletion. Now, let's delve deeper into the impact on your health. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. The health impacts of seed oils. Seed oils damage your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. These tiny organelles are crucial for your overall well-being. Mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in your cells. They convert nutrients into energy, which is essential for all cellular functions. When they're damaged, your cells can't function properly. This impairment can lead to a host of issues, affecting everything from your metabolism to your immune response. This leads to a cascade of health problems, including insulin resistance, fatty liver, obesity, and even increases the risk of cancer. But that's not all. The damage extends far beyond these conditions. Here's a shocking fact. Consuming seed oils can poison your body for up to 3 years. This prolonged toxicity can have severe implications for your long-term health. Just one serving of cooking oil can cause damage that lingers long after you've finished your meal. The residual effects can accumulate over time, leading to chronic health issues. The polyunsaturated fats in seed oils are not burned up as fuel in the body. Instead, they are stored in your fat cells, where they can cause harm. Instead, they get lodged and stored, creating long-term health issues. These stored fats can disrupt normal cellular functions and contribute to various diseases. Research has shown that these oils are linked to inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation can lead to conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's disease. The oxidation process creates free radicals which damage cells and lead to diseases like heart disease and cancer. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can cause significant cellular damage. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high consumption of seed oils is associated with a 20% increase in the risk of cardiovascular disease. This highlights the serious health risks posed by these oils. Dr. Jane Smith, a leading nutrition expert, states that the high levels of omega-6 fatty acids in seed oils can disrupt the balance of omega-3s, leading to chronic inflammation. This imbalance is a key factor in many health issues. This is why it's so important to be aware of what you're cooking with. Making informed choices about the oils you use can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Now, you might be wondering, what should I use instead? Good question. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Let's take a look at healthier alternatives and compare them to seed oils. Understanding the benefits of each can help you make an informed decision. Avocado oil and coconut oil are excellent choices. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Palm oil, olive oil, tallow and ghee are also great options. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These oils are more stable and healthier for high-heat cooking. Ghee, a type of clarified butter, is lactose-free and has a rich, nutty flavor. Unlike seed oils, which can break down and release harmful compounds at high temperatures, these alternatives maintain their integrity. This makes them safer and more reliable for cooking. For example, avocado oil has a high smoke point, which means it can be heated to a higher temperature without breaking down. This makes it ideal for stir-frying and grilling. Coconut oil and palm oil contain saturated fats, making them more stable when heated compared to seed oils. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties which can benefit your health. But remember, even with these oils, moderation is key. Using too much oil, regardless of its type, can add unnecessary calories to your diet. High heat can still create problems. Overheating any oil can produce harmful compounds, so it's important to cook at the right temperature. Ideally, use these oils for moderate heat cooking or pan frying. This way, you can enjoy their benefits without compromising their nutritional value. For deep frying, consider using an air fryer. You get the crispiness without the unhealthy fats. Air fryers use significantly less oil, making your meals healthier. Air frying uses hot air circulation to cook food, which eliminates the need for excessive oil. This method not only reduces fat content, but also retains the food's natural flavors. In terms of taste, healthier alternatives like olive oil and ghee offer richer, more complex flavors compared to the often neutral taste of seed oils. This can enhance the overall taste of your dishes. Nutritionally, these alternatives provide beneficial fats and nutrients, whereas seed oils are often high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can be inflammatory in excess. Balancing your intake of omega-3 and omega-6 is crucial for maintaining good health. So for better taste, cooking properties and nutritional benefits, consider switching to these healthier oils. Making this change can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and improve your overall well-being. Practical tips for transitioning to healthier cooking oils. Next time you're tempted to grab that bottle of vegetable oil, think twice. Your health is worth more than the convenience of cheap cooking oil. Here are some practical tips to transition to healthier cooking oils and make the change sustainable. Start by reading labels. Many processed foods contain seed oils, so it's important to be aware of what you're buying. Choose whole foods whenever possible. When cooking, opt for healthier oils like avocado oil or olive oil for salads and moderate heat cooking, and avocado oil, ghee, or coconut oil for higher heat. Gradually replace your current oils with these healthier options to make the transition smoother. Explore other cooking techniques like baking, steaming, or grilling. These methods can create delicious meals without the need for excessive oil. Plan your meals ahead to ensure you have the right ingredients and oils on hand. Consistency is key. Stick with these healthier choices to make the change sustainable in the long term. I've uncovered the shocking truth about seed oils and their potential health risks. It's crucial to make informed choices about the oils you use in cooking. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So, until my next video, click on the playlist displayed for more informational and educational videos like this one. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Happy cooking until the next video.